If you are looking to free up some space and you don't use Hibernate option or it is not available here, then follow this step to remove Hiberfil.sys. With this method, you can free up more than 10 or 20 gig space depend on your system. Open File Explorer. Open C drive. Here I have 25 gig space. Open it. Click on three dot option, view, check show hidden files folder and drive on, and also this check hide protect operating system files recommended on. Click here, yes, apply, okay. Here you will see Hiberfil.sys. For me it is around 6 gigabit. For some system it is more than 10 gig or 20 gig. Now you can remove this file. We have two methods. First, right click, then click on delete. But we have other method also. Search command prompt or cmd, right click here, run as administrator, yes. Here type power cfg space /, then write hibernate space type off. Now if you come back here, this PC C drive, here we don't have hybrid file, and also I have 31 GB space. Now if you want to use again this hibernate, type this command power cfg / hibernate instead of off, right here on. If you come back on C drive, now it is here. Again, I don't need to use it. Off. Guys, I hope you enjoy from this video. If this video is helpful, please like this video. If you are new here, subscribe the channel for more useful content. Have a good time. See you soon.